Can we transfer Agoda Cash to bank account? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will see if we can transfer Agoda Cash to bank account or not. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Before we proceed, we have to understand that Agoda Cash cannot be directly transferred to bank account because Agoda Cash is a reward system provided by the Agoda for the users to redeem on future bookings such as hotels or flights. So we cannot directly transfer Agoda Cash to bank account. But if you want to use Agoda, here's how you can do it. Go to their official website, that is agoda.com, and make sure to log in into your account. In order to log in, click on sign in button, enter your login credential and then log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on create account, follow the on-screen instructions and then log in. After that, you can search for the hotel or the service and select the one according to your preferences. Now during the checkout or payment procedure, you will see the option to apply, that is Agoda Cash. You have to enable it to get a discount on your booking. Then you can pay the remaining amount with your preferred payment method. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.